Dude, I think I can do it. I just wasn't going fast enough. Alright, I see here it is. This is where people are going in now.
Alright.
Alright, so we're in here. Now we just need to find the next spot. Some deep ruts, man.
Yeah. That's some weird sand too. Like very quicksandy.
What?
Even what we're driving in right now. You can tell if this is wet, that would be like super bad.
Gotta be somewhere we can cross. That's crazy, it's still flowing so well.
Yeah. Must be getting some good melt off still.
It might be what it is.
Yeah, this looks like it's like deeper up here.
Yeah, I see a dust devil blowing up a hill over there.
Dust devils can cross it, but not us.
Yeah, no go for us. It's quite solid. So I get the feeling wherever it is. Do you see any tracks crossing it? Like, I think it looks like people might have done it here, because I think I see stuff over there.
Yeah, I can't really... I don't see evidence of anyone really having done this in a while. And is that dust just from the wind? That's not from a vehicle, is it?
I don't know. All right. Stick. Water. Dude.
That's soft though, huh?
Yeah, I can kind of push it down into it.
Yeah, I'm not... The depth doesn't have me worried. I think it's more of the quicksand nature.
There's a tornado. Yeah.
Maybe just wait a while, it'll dry up. Oh.
There you go. Yeah, it seems like this is like the widest spot right here. And I don't really see much in the way of channeled water. Like my biggest threat, I guess, is that over there because there's rapids.
Yeah, that's deeper, and it's probably carved it, so it's probably got a rut before you come back out, if you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. This right here is so shallow, I can see the sand showing here and there.
When you step there, what does it do? Is it like...
Hard as can be.
I mean, like, can you step in the water a little without getting a wet foot to see how sinky it is? Or is that just asking for you? Solid?
Yeah. I don't know. I'm going to try crossing probably right about here.
Because, like, if you get stuck and I can't get to you...
We have a tow rope.
Well, yeah, but it's only so long.
Yeah, I'll try it in four-wheel just to be safe. Better to have it working.
Yeah, I mean, if you use four-wheel and you barely get across, well, I ain't going.
Yeah, we got our answer.
Alright. Alright, here we go, folks. Let's see if we can cross it today. Oh, that's sinky. Yeah. That answers that.
Sure does.
Yeah, alright, you're sinking. You're just getting deeper. I'd say stop and let's pull you.
Alright.
Well, that's that, folks. We're stuck already, so.
Time tested to not work.
Yeah. Yeah. It feels solid, but I don't think it is.
Well, it's good to get stuck here versus in the middle.
Yep. Should I flip around so I'm pulling you out with first and not reverse? Might be a good idea.
Yeah, didn't we figure that was a better way of handling it?
Yeah, because reverse isn't quite as grunty. Alright, I'm going to back up and back up some more.
And more, and more. Yeah, that was pretty much fall in.
Yeah.
Probably should turn it off. Alright, this is what we do, folks. These boots ain't waterproof. Actually, we want to clip that on my hitch.
Wow, this is just, I have to take note of this here. We're towing out a stuck mud in quicksand, and there's like a freaking tornado ripping across the Hassayampa, and it's so stinking windy. What I'm saying right now won't come out anyway. But it's literally blowing like little leaves and twigs and stuff over there.
Alright, there we go. I'm hitched in. And then, wonder if I should just put it through your axle down at the bottom here.
Whatever you want to do. I thought before we did it there, but I don't know if that's the best. The only thing I'd say about the axle is you risk it doing this in the wheel.
Yeah, maybe.
And the rack's a little higher, so you might have a little better.
They're just not really meant for towing. I was wondering about like that.
Yeah, actually, if you do it there, that should be relatively protected from getting caught in the wheel, since it's got the little bit there. Official recovery tips here, that bit there.
Yep. Actual terms. Alright, why don't you pull her up, pull it taut,
Alright.
and try to aim for the driest land you can find.
Yeah. Alright, just tell me when to stop. I'm gonna go slow.
Alright.
Oh boy. So based on what I just felt, you're probably going to want to reverse with me.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the case. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Start pulling. Hold on, wait. I'm doing it all wrong because I'm all confused. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
It's moving. Hold on, stop. Whoa! I just found the hole from the tire. I think mine stalled.
Of course. That's what we do here. We stall in these situations.
I can't turn it, so gonna have to ride her out.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, pull. Alright, stop.
Woo!
Recovery! Well, we just got awesome footage. Never sunk it.
Never saw.